What is up, guys? How you doing? So it's been a few days since we've given a shop update. As you guys know, we've had workers come in and out of the shop trying to get a lot of stuff done. We got to get the walls done, the lights, all that good stuff. Because remember when we moved in about 2 weeks ago, it was an empty, destroyed warehouse. So there's crap everywhere, wires everywhere, the walls looked like crap, lights look like crap, bathroom looked like crap, everything looks like crap. And it's been taking a little bit longer than expected, but things are getting done and I'm excited to show you. But I guess we can just jump right into it because I'm really excited for you guys to see because it's actually starting to look like a shop. To start off, a huge piece of the puzzle finally happened today and they installed half of the lights.
Wow, those are bright.
They are bright. I actually didn't realize that.
Super lit in here.
So they're giving us all new LED lights, which this is the first test to see if they look good on camera. We'll wait till it gets dark. Some people.
Is it doing the thing?
No, it's not flashing. We're good.
Does it look sick?
I think it looks good on camera.
Let us know in the comments.
I guess you'll find out in a few when it gets dark out. But there's 8 of them up now, and they're gonna complete the rest. And honestly, it looks so much nicer. I mean, it looks less warehousey with, you know, these gone and everything. I don't know. I'm really excited. On top of that, we were able to get a lot of stuff off the floors and just kind of shove them against the wall. They're not staying there. We just had to do it to get out of the way so they can get to the lights and we can kind of just, you know, get a handle on my life.
Yeah.
On top of that, you guys can tell the walls are officially fully painted. Sides, bathroom, front wall, all that good stuff. And then the floors still look like crap.
So much room for activities.
One of my favorites is they actually finally cleaned up the bathroom and put power in it. So now we officially have lights, a usable toilet, and we got hot water. It's very important, you know, just in case you gotta take a shower. So shop orientation is still up in the air. There's 1.5 million different layouts we could do. We got a lot of stuff. We got a lot of stuff coming, and there's still a lot of planning involved. So.
One that I did. But...
Hey, what's up?
You want that?
Cheers, dude.
Yeah. Merry Christmas, Chip.
You're gonna act like you stole it, but you didn't.
Well, I'm kind of feeling this orientation on the side. Let me know what you guys think about this. Looks cool. But the shop is feeling even bigger, which is crazy. This looks so official, and then this looks old and janky. New and official, old and janky.
New hotness, old busted.
Oh shit. You versus Chip. And then one thing I want to address real quick while we're talking about the shop is a lot of people were talking about the lifts. They're very worried about it. I know getting a lift in the last shop was like a really big deal. That was a whole ordeal, and you guys hated me for that one. But I did sell the lift. Yeah, I did sell the lift to Jip, Drew, and Izzo, who moved into my old bay.
Yep.
Because it was just gonna be easier to sell that one. I was supposed to buy a lift in the bay I was supposed to get. Didn't happen. So now we're working on buying 2 new lifts for this shop, which will be, you know, obviously the perfect addition. So we're not sleeping, just trying to make deals happen so we can afford it.
Big dick shit is happening.
Yeah. The real question is, how long until we put a mini ramp into this place?
Not long. Once everything's done. Yeah.
I'm thinking like here maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This would be the spot because you could get towed in and do gnarly wall wrap.
Vert wall?
Vert wall. I'm hitting my head on the I-beam on something.
The last 2 weeks I've been going crazy just trying to get these few things to happen. So hope you guys are stoked for us. And tomorrow's video you'll see the complete lights and it's gonna be beautiful. But since we don't have much going on today, I figured it'd be a great day to actually make a huge dent in the sub mail. As you guys know, we've been getting a lot of it and we've been so busy we haven't had time to open any of it on camera, and I think we've all been dying to finally open it. So, sub mail! Sub mail! Sub mail!
Whatever's in here is hard.
Shotgun. All right, hold on. No first. Here we go. A gift for you. Hi, Jimmy. Saw the state flag and thought it was a good idea. Also, check out these bands. LOL. Thank you. Scientist Closure in Moscow from Kruspin. At Cruiseman. I don't know if the lens will focus. Last time I didn't want to.
Yeah, the lens is.
You guys
I'm sorry,
totally got mad at me for not focusing, and it wasn't my fault. Camera won't do it right now.
30 degrees hotter in this corner, though. Can we talk about that?
It is so hot.
So much hotter in this corner. One of the Dragon Balls?
I think that's a Dragon Ball flag. What is it?
Maybe it's Moscow state flag or something.
Moscow State.
That's what we
flag.
said.
I don't think
That's what we said in the thing.
I guess
right?
Moscow fucks heavy with Dragon Ball.
They have the third ball. That's the third Dragon Ball.
I
You know,
know,
honestly-
it's funny in more than one way.
Honestly, like I've loved getting the flags, literally just to see the craziness of all different variety of flags throughout the world.
Just relax.
Yo, it's
Oh
my god.
Do the note.
What?
Hey Jimmy and gang, love the content. Bigs up on moving up to the new shop. So much potential. Can't wait to see what you guys do with it. Bought a few snacks for you guys. Hopefully it'll last more than one day. By the looks
Let me
of
get
it,
that envelope. I want the
so.
envelope.
Yo.
Let me get the envelope. Hold
Also-
on. What's her name from Pokemon?
Also,
Power
hope you
stuff.
guys enjoy the stickers. Hopefully those are
Oh,
okay by YouTube standards. We'll
I see
send
nothing wrong
Tuck
here.
a package when I stop being lazy.
Misogyny
Sam
is the thing.
DeRose. Thank you, Sam.
Oh my god, these
Yo,
are sick.
this is going on
Okay,
somewhere.
hold on. There's so many good things in here.
Hold on. Careful.
That's a lot.
Save the sticker.
But there's different kinds of jerky.
Yeah, he's got variety.
Teriyaki and peppered. There's original beef jerky.
Okay, so we got.
How do you buy a box of high chew?
Like what?
they
What
just-
convenience store where this dude's from was just like out of high chews for the next month?
So we have a crap ton of beef jerky, which is sick. A bunch of high chews.
All high.
Oh my god. This is amazing. You guys know where high
myself.
chew butt
I
hurts.
can't help myself.
This might last 3 hours down here. Oh, please focus. Sandra Rose, thank you so much for the package. This is badass.
This is so sick.
Dude, what's her name? Not a hammer.
Chip, you need a towel over there? You good?
Yeah, dude, hold on.
You sweating on me?
I'm back already. I'm done. That's all I needed. Honestly, never opened Submail. So good. I don't know how to do this.
Come on, Jeff.
It's a box. Portable power inverter.
Damn it, Jimmy.
Kinda it.
Hold on, I get a redo. Like every time. I'm gonna go ahead and think this is a flag. Hey Jimbo, love the videos. Here's a flag from my country, Albania. Congrats on the new shop space. Hopefully this will be a good addition. From Brian L.
We already know what this looks like. We got mad Albanian friends.
Yeah, we do have. From Albania and you live in Connecticut, that's your front license plate.
If you're,
Every single, there's like 2 in my neighborhood and they all have
every
mine.
one of my Albanian friends has this hanging from the rearview mirror.
Hell yeah.
Not bad. As far as flag goes, it's not a bad flag.
Definitely that. It's not-
So we got from Matthew Egan,
That might be a pressure cooker. Hold on.
all the way from Australia. Oh, it's an AFR gauge.
From Australia.
From Australia.
What?
It also says on the back, my tuner said I don't need
No way.
Who is your tuner? Oh man, you might want to come over to the USA and talk to Jimmy.
Wait, Derek from Australia?
No, I think this is like brand new, untouched.
Dude, no way.
AM too.
It's AM, yeah.
That's amazing.
Imagine it's just
What was his
filled
name?
with a turd.
His name was something, Matthew Egan.
Matthew Egan. Matthew,
Brian, fill that for us.
thank you so much. I mean, this is cool because we end up putting these in like every single car we build. You know what I mean? It's just, usually you need this for tuning. Like really bad. So,
I don't know, Matt, if I destroyed your note, I'm sorry, but
you know what's funny? It's a manual gauge. I've never seen a manual AM gauge. Have you ever seen it?
Australian shit right there.
I've never seen. That's actually kind of cool. That's dope, dude. Thank you so much. We'll definitely be using this for sure. And that's one less thing we have to buy. That's cool. Who's your tuner though?
Last but not least. Hey Jimbo, thanks for the quality content. And
Well, did
congrats
you
on the
realize
new-
everyone calls me Jimbo in
I was
Submail?
just gonna say that.
everyone.
But no one ever calls you Jimbo on the channel or in real life. I do sometimes, but
It's situational.
I've never
Yeah.
called you Jim.
Everyone calls me Jimbo in Submail. Okay.
keep it up, guys.
Well, I noticed you got a West Virginia state flag, so I decided to send you
What?
the best state flag of them all.
Did we
Would
just
love
do
to
that
see
again?
you get back to on the GTI. I love that car.
I think it's another.
Whoa. Maryland.
Is it Maryland?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because I know.
It's a Maryland flag. That looks like it's behind a castle. That's cool. Yeah. Our H2O tribute right here.
I'm assuming his name is Owen, but it's at Owen He.
Yeah.
Oh, and hey. Oh, in the head.
Heh, I hope that focuses. Thanks, Owen.
Thanks, Owen.
Enjoy your gift from Brett for the new shop and a shout out.
Brett?
Who are we shouting out? Shout out Brett.
What we got
Brett.
here? What we got here?
We have some sort of supplies
Cleanup
holder
caddy?
with the
Oh,
paper
that's
towel, John.
sick.
That's pretty dope.
Is this like a? Does it come with like the whole slider piece and everything? This would be dope on
This
the.
is the slider piece. This might be the slider. Hang on.
What do you guys think? I'm into it. Brett. Thanks, homeboy.
Ag.
What do we got?
Who would have guessed it?
Goddamn flag.
Guess that flag.
Yeah.
France?
Is France,
I know,
or is
there's-
France sideways?
There's a lot of flags with those three colors.
We're not
on
good
it.
at geography.
Yes, this might be France. This might not be France.
I think it's France.
but it's from China.
They're all made.
This one's from Finland. Oh. It's Finnish candy, dude.
Yo, that actually looks like me. That's crazy. I didn't know I made it on
Does
candy.
it taste like you?
I really don't want to
It
try
doesn't have a note. It looks
That
weird.
looks gross.
It also says Dragster 3000. What's
they're
good
tires.
with
They're
that?
supposed to look like tires.
There's like Easter candy. Try one.
Oh, like a peep.
There's a lot going on right now. Chip, is it
Extremely
confirmed?
intense.
Doesn't taste like you.
Stick away.
Yo, try the drag racing tires.
I've never had any.
Try the Mickey Thompsons, bro.
If rubber had a good taste to it.
We'll try this one. This one's supposed to be rubber.
Ready? Oh,
It's the grossest thing ever. It says Super Salta.
Did you get Brian's face?
I hope I did.
That was the purest reaction I've ever seen.
Try it. It's just salt. It's just
Get it.
freaking salt.
No, just. It's like salt covered. It's like
Ah!
I imagine that's exactly what it's like to lick.
There's no way somebody eats these for pleasure.
Wait,
Do you like- Do you like
It's like licorice on the
Chip,
inside, though.
please try one.
put this in your soup to make it taste better? What? It's honestly not even worth it.
Dude, that smells bad.
Actually chew it and swallow it first.
No.
I'm impressed.
No. How are you doing this?
Swallow it like a boy.
No, you're not.
I'm gonna poo.
There's no way you're eating.
These right from.
That was close. Use the brake clean, yeah. Honestly,
Oh my god. I'm surprised it took so long for a subscriber to send us something that nasty. Because he knows we were just
That was
trying.
smart.
Yeah.
No, you gotta put it in.
Dude. Oh my god. That's 4 times worse than I was anticipating it to be. You power chewed.
I told you it wasn't worth it.
You chewed that.
I got like 3 in.
Are you okay?
Dude, we need to take you to the hospital.
That's from Australia.
This is from Australia. You know, because it's got a koala bear on it.
Yeah, they gave it away. Dude, the Australians coming hard with.
Oh my god. There's stuff everywhere. Wow.
Oh, that's sick.
Shirts tucked in.
Yo!
No, wait. No.
Did you order this?
Gloves.
Wait, I ordered this.
You're such an asshole. Shirt tucks in shit is expensive. You did get gloves from them? That's so.
This is a Patreon giveaway.
Oh. Can't put this in the film.
Can you like start?
Can you?
You know, organize.
Yeah, put that in. So Jimmy, you bought this by accident, and it's not. Chip, I saw you take it. Give it back, Chip. Yeah, I see you taking it out of the package.
I've been wearing gloves this
forgot.
whole time.
Okay, word.
I can't get my hand in.
Jimmy, so what is this?
Don't stretch them out.
What are you gonna do with this?
Yo, you
Jimmy?
see your mitts, dude? You got Shrek hands.
So this is actually I actually put this together because these are one of my favorite like little company trinkets, honestly. And I put this together for my Patreons, and this is the next Patreon little giveaway package right here.
This is a solid giveaway.
That people that are my Patreons get a chance to enter to win some fun little stuff.
I got 3 fingers in there, so
So stay tuned in next week or so.
that's really dope.
Giveaway.
Do us all a favor and never send these
Oh
again.
no, hold on, this is going to the Patreon.
You gotta send us a video of you swallowing that whole package.
Kyle.
Chip, what are you doing?
Who's Jip?
That's Kyle.
This is Kyle.
Get my man's a monster. We found patio furniture and we got a table. Josh, bring the table over here.
I gotcha.
I'm impressed.
Stop. Ryan.
Cool.
Ryan, stop.
Mike, don't break it. Look at this. This is culture.
Ryan, stop. Ryan, stop. Ryan.
I'm gonna bust ass.
Which one of these do I hug
Ryan.
sad? Comment in the video.
Brian, you
Stop.
I broke my knee. Hey, no, we got that at the dumpster. Fair and square.
Chair, chill.
Fair and square and chair.
Stop it.
It was a square chair, and it's not gonna be if you keep kicking the leg.
Okay, Humpty Dumpty.
All right, so now that it's dark out, you guys can officially see how much nicer the new lights are versus the old. So let's check it out. Oh yeah, look how good this looks like a whole. This looks like a showroom in here. It looks amazing.
Yeah, it's way brighter.
Dude, it makes the shop look way bigger. And then look at this. It's just gross and yellow and old looking. That's crazy.
Plus, they look a lot nicer too. These things just look old and dungy, right?
Oh my god. Dude, it looks... What do you think, Amber?
I think you're gonna take some sick high-end photography in here.
Right? Yeah, look at the line.
Yeah, the lineup.
Coming for you, Area 51.
Also, you'll be able.
Thumbnail was fun. Of course, huge shout out to everyone who sent us something. We really appreciate it. We have a blast opening every single time. If you guys want to be, oh my god, if you guys want to be a part of it, of course, the address is always in the description. Check it out. Send us something fun. Send us something stupid. Send us something gross. Send us something useful. I don't care. Anything's fun, and we'll open it up on camera. So you've seen me lose my shit over the lights for the last 10 minutes and us open a bunch of sub mail. And today, even though it's been short, has been a really fun day. I'm really excited. Tomorrow is huge. I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna come in a little later until all the lights are done, and it's gonna be the best surprise ever. The shop's gonna look sick, and then we could finally officially get to work and start putting shit where it needs to go and figuring out a shop layout. And it's what I've been waiting for like crazy for the last 3 weeks. But I'll stop talking because I'm being annoying, so you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe.
Stay tuned for more content.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.